motherfucker. Pen scope do the dash, yeah, I know. Quick, pull up at the total, girl, I said the rims stuck. Get booked for the show, I feel everything tuck. Steady with the six pants, yeah, know the thing. Funny young dog, yeah, they left your limbo. Funny line, yeah, low, with the chopper lingo. Buck a skull, quote it up, when me lick, I load it up. Got me feel like OJ, Bobby Johnson. Gassing at the game, I get it steady with the dancing. Me feel like OJ, Bobby Johnson. Just chop it back, got this girl, it's a call me. Feel like OJ, Bobby Johnson. Gassing at the game, I get it steady with the dancing. Me feel like OJ, that me feel like OJ, Bobby Johnson. But me feel sure pussy don't talk to me cheap. But a millions me chop, put the Gucci on my feet. Be my coat, man, black, on the toll, we a creep. On the line.
That's how it looks. Clean. Build is coming along. So far, so good. This is basically a REV9 Hyperstreet 2 review. A year and 6 months of ownership. So far, so good. No issues. Let's see. Where should I start? I think I did a video before on this. I went a little lower, even though I'm running 245 17s. And the rims, I think they're Avid ones. I think they're Avid ones. Don't mind this. This is just a tire sticker from last year's set of 17s, and 17-inch by 9 inches wide rim, I think. But yeah, so far so good. It's a big tuck. I think I have a full tank of gas, so it's perfect. It's a perfect fitment. Also, all 4 coilovers comes with dampers adjustment on all 4. So you can adjust the dampers, like the stiffness of the suspension. And right now I'm running super stiff. The car is a bit bumpy, but if you're gonna go this low, I would highly recommend turning up the stiffness, dampers on these coilovers, because when you hit bumps, the wheel travel. You want to reduce the wheel travel from touching the fender. I don't know if you guys can see from here. So these green things are the coilovers. That's the knob at the top. That's how you adjust the stiffness of the suspension. I'm gonna go full RBC soon. Unfortunately, I'm waiting on the shipment to come in. I'm gonna clean this up as well. I just installed the Acuity shifter bushings. I was gonna do a video installing these, but I didn't see the need because there's a million videos on YouTube of people showing how to install them. I think I can go a little lower, but the roads here are terrible, so I can't even go any lower than this. It's getting dark, so I'm trying to get this video done as quickly as possible. So I recently dropped this side, but you know how the car thing goes. One side of the car is always heavier. Make equal adjustments to all 4 sides of the car. Certain sections of the car, you're gonna have to like play with the adjustments of the height. Like this side, you can tell that this side is higher than that side, because I was assuming this side is the heavy side, the heavier side. So I kind of messed this part up, but I need to go a little lower on this side. And they're green, they're right back there. So I need to go a little lower on that side. Like the camber adjustment also, I need to mention this. On the front of the car, there's a camber adjustment for the front. But in the rear, there is no camber adjustment, so you have to buy camber arms. I don't even remember, but they're cheap. It's like reasonable price. It's not like a high expensive brand like K-Tune camber arms, but they get the job done. I just got an alignment, so they didn't have any issue like tightening these. And I also store the car in the winter time. I'm running the Yonaka exhaust. So yeah, 2 years of driving, you know, it's perfect. 2 years of driving and no issues. Even when I attempted to adjust the coilovers recently, they didn't seize, because I think the coilovers come with lubricant on the sleeve, the sleeves that you turn to adjust it. To make this even worse, I'm running upper polyurethane bushing, if that's how it's pronounced. Top and bottom, lower and upper. I need to get this car undercoated as well. And I also install the dress-up kit. I got these like cheap stuff off of Amazon. You know, I changed the strut, not the strut, the hood mounts. So it's pretty good. Yeah, it's clean. It's clean. So yeah, so that's how it looks. Clean. Build is coming along. So far so good. To be honest, it turned out pretty decent. It's been 2 years of doing this build, and so far so good. The only issues I have is waiting for that what do you call it, the PRL adapter kit for the RBC intake. So anyhow, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, and I hear something. It's a dog. But yeah, look at that. Clean. 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 But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that REV9 Hyper-Street 2 coilover review. Sorry, I was busy just looking in the screen, looking at the car. I can't stop looking at it. But yeah, Honda build. Peace.
Dog a life, I'm out of fuck. Ben scope, do the dash, yeah, I know. Quick, pull up on the total, girl, I say the rims stuck. Get booked for the show, I feel everything tuck. Steady with the six pants, yeah, I know the thing go. Run up on the gang, dog, get the left your limbo. On the line, me a load with the chopper lingo. Buck a skull, code it up, when me lick a load it up. Got me feel like OJ, Bobby Johnson. Gassing at the beam, I just steady with the Thompson. Me feel like OJ, Bobby Johnson. Just chop it bank, this girl is a call me. Feel like OJ, Bobby Johnson. Gassing at the beam, I just steady with the Thompson. Me feel like OJ. That me feel like OJ, Bobby Johnson. Hey, that. Book me for your show, pussy, don't talk to me cheap. But a millions, me chop.